Hey everyone, it's me again. Just wanted to come to you with a quick update on this hair. I got it done January 28th, and today is the 7th of February, and maybe there's a couple of do's and don'ts. This is the Model Bahama braid, 20-inch. It's a real nice curl, easy to crochet, like 2 knots is all you need. This is 3.5 packs. I bought 5, but we only used 3, more than a half of that third one. And it's very full. It's still soft, but I want to say it tangles, and you have to keep pulling at it. And I did not sleep with a bonnet on this trip. I actually forgot it. And one night I plaited it. That's a no-no. Don't plait it. But it made me very upset that, you know, see, I'm picking up all that at one time. And so you have to constantly pull at it. Let's see, can I put the phone down and show you a little bit? See, you have to constantly do that. Of course, it's synthetic. I mean, you can't ask for a whole lot more with synthetic hair at $5.99 a pack. But I just wanted to show you what it does. Is this the second week? This is maybe going on what is this week? I think this is the second week. So as I was saying, I had it in for about 2 weeks now. Almost 3. It'll be 3 next Monday, and I give it a thumbs up, but I don't give it everything, because I really hated that part of it. And it tangles on like I had on a dress and it was doing fine, but that dress had some texture to it, but nothing that sticks out that should cause it to stick to it. But it stuck to it just like if it was Velcro, and it didn't make no sense for that to happen. So long story short, I'm probably going to cut it before I take it out. Like that third week, I'm probably going to cut it down so it'll be just on the top of my shoulders. It's a nice hair, but it's just not 4-week long hair. I mean, you have to almost keep it off of your neck. And you definitely have to wear a bonnet so that it won't frizz up. I did buy this product while we were out. It really didn't do anything for it. It looks a little bit better, but it did not really detangle it. Again, I can't really expect anything when it comes to synthetic hair. So I don't put any product on unless absolute necessary. So I had to do that because it was an emergency. So enough rambling. That's my experience with the Model Bahama braid. Again, it is a nice crochet synthetic hair, but it does tangle up, so it only lasts about 2 weeks. So 1 thumb up, 1 thumb down, because I want it to last longer. Anyway, remember to be careful with one another. God bless you. And I kept it under 4 minutes. Bye.